Hello and welcome to Motivation Monday on NLF Live. And today I'm going to give you your Motivation Monday quote, which is, I think it's pretty fitting some days. If I'm not getting up to come into the office and work on something that I'm passionate about, I could see myself struggling with some Monday mornings. I can totally understand the need for that cup of coffee to get yourself going. But sometimes the cases that we are working on, and just knowing that we're coming in here to really fight the good fight and invest ourselves in these files and focus on what's happening with our clients and the cases and the courthouses and the DAs and all of that, I know that it'll give us the internal energy and motivation to keep going and to keep trying and to ultimately achieve the goals that we set out to achieve. One of the things I wanted to talk about today is one of the steps that we have to do in pretty much every single case, which is to get discovery. And we say it's so nonchalant a lot of times to clients, like, oh yeah, on the first day we'll go to court and we'll get the discovery and then we'll request additional discovery. But we never really talk about what discovery is. And it's basically an exchange of information between the defense and the prosecution, and the prosecution is required to turn over everything that they have in these criminal cases. So one of the frustrating things, because it's supposed to be done within 15 days, one of the frustrating things is when we don't get it as quickly as we need it or as quickly as they're supposed to do it. And sometimes we get those excuses like, oh, well, there's a backlog, or do you really need it? And the answer is yes, we really need everything that we're asking for so we can actually, analyze the case, strategize, and figure out, what are the next steps going to be. So discovery is anything like the police report, any motion, video, audio recording devices, so like MVARs in the actual dash of the vehicles, or body cameras that the police officer might be wearing, surveillance that may have been active in neighboring businesses or facilities, logs, calibration logs that are identifying whether or not a machine was functioning properly, things like a blood litigation packet to see how blood may have been tested in a DUI, photographs that may have been taken, just anything that could potentially be used as evidence in a case. That's part of the discovery process, especially things that could potentially be escalating. So like things that could relieve our clients of their of the charges that are pending against them. So those are the things that we ask for, including, medical records or anything else that comes to mind that is related to that case. And from there, like I said, the DA has the obligation to produce these things. If for some reason the DA is uncooperative or is not producing it timely or at all, then we file what's called a motion to compel, and we appear in court and we let the judge know that there is this Brady obligation that's not being fulfilled and why we need what we need, and what the issue is with the district attorney, and hope that the judge will force them to comply. That's what the motion to compel is. And so that is a big part of what we do. And I know we just throw the word, like I said, we just throw the word discovery around a lot because it's just so commonplace for us, but it's not necessarily commonplace for our clients. So that is what we do. We love what we do what we do every single day, and we come in on Monday with a smile on our face, even when the times are stressful or frustrating or difficult. We still know that we're passionate about our jobs, we're passionate about the criminal law, and we're passionate about our clients. So that is your Motivation Monday lesson for the day. Just do what you love and you'll never have a problem with Mondays. And yeah, ask for what you need and make sure you get it. Take care. Bye.